Hello students, today we are going to study about light, sound and force. Subject Science, Standard 3rd and chapter number 5. Chapter name is Light, Sound and Force. So first, light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. It is a form of energy, and on the earth, the sun is the main source of light. We also get light from torches, bulbs, candles and many. These objects are called luminous objects, or we can say that the objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects, and the objects which do not emit lights of their own are called non-luminous objects. For example, chair, table, glass, these all are non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects become visible only when the light falls on them. And luminous objects are two types: natural luminous and man-made luminous. Natural objects like the sun, stars, these all are natural, and the man-made like lamps, table, torch, which are made by man. These all are man-made luminous objects. Now, how shadow is formed? Students, remember one thing, that lights always travel in a straight line. For example, observe the light coming from the sun, or the light coming from a torch or a headlight of a car. Say what you see. You will see that it travels in a straight line. And how shadow is formed? A shadow is formed when light coming from the source of light is blocked or disturbed by an object. Take an example of yourself. When you stand outside in the sun, you will see your shadow on the floor. Why? Because you have blocked the path of light, and in this way shadow formed. Shadow always appear to be black or dark. Now the next topic is sound. Dear students, you hear a variety of sounds like barking of dogs, ringings of doorbells, chirpings of birds, etc. and so on. And we also make sound when we laugh, talk and sing. But actually, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. It is a form of energy, and both living and non-living things can produce sound. Different things produce different sounds. Some are loud and some are soft. Some are pleasant and some are unpleasant, which disturb other. Unpleasant sounds are also called noise. अनप्लीजेंट साउंड को हम नॉइज़ भी बोलते हैं, जो हमें डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, वो साउंड को प्लीजेंट नहीं अनप्लीजेंट बोले जाते हैं. नाउ द अनदर टॉपिक इज फोर्स. व्हाट इज फोर्स? फोर्स इज अ पुश और अ पुल. वी अप्लाई फोर्स टू डू वर्क. हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. व्हाई? टू डू वर्क, काम करने के लिए. वी अप्लाई फोर्स टू मूव एन ऑब्जेक्ट, टू स्टॉप एन ऑब्जेक्ट, और टू स्लो डाउन अ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट, और टू चेंज द शेप और साइज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. हम उसे रोकने के लिए, या उसे कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को स्लो करने के लिए, या उसका शेप या साइज चेंज करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. फोर्स इज अ पुश और अ पुल. And the force that slow down or stops a moving object is called friction. Friction develop between two bodies when they touch with each other. For example, when we walk on the road, it develops friction between our feet and the road. By the help of friction, only we are able to walk. Otherwise, we would keep slipping off the floor. फ्रिक्शन नहीं होता तो क्या होते, हम रोड में चल ही नहीं पाते, हम बार बार क्या करते, फिसलते ही जाते हैं. Now, dear student, this was all in this chapter. I hope you will understand. Now, again, let's revise what we study. Light help us to see things around us. Light is a form of energy. The objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. For example, the sun, torch, lamp, etc. And the objects which do not emit light of their own are called non-luminous objects. For example, chair, table, glass, etc. जो लाइट खुद दे सकते हैं उसे क्या बोल रहे हैं, luminous. And the light do not emit, the object which do not emit light, जो लाइट नहीं दे सकते पर दूसरे लाइट इफेक्ट होता है ना, उस टाइम पे वो क्या करते हैं, लाइट शो करते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड नॉन ल्यूमिनियस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. लाइट ऑलवेज ट्रैवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. It always travel in a straight line. A shadow is formed when light coming from the source is blocked by an object. Shadow कैसे formed होता है, जब light कहीं से आ रहे होते हैं तब हम क्या करते हैं, ब्लॉक करते हैं, किसी भी चीज़ से वो ब्लॉक होता है by any object. Then the shadow is formed. Now what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. And some sounds are pleasant while some are disturbing. कोई pleasant होता है, एकदम मधुर होते हैं, तो कोई क्या करते हैं, हमें एकदम डिस्टर्ब करता है, हमें इरिटेट होता है वो साउंड से. Now force is a push or a pull. Why we use apply force? We apply force to move an object, to stop or slow down a moving objects, or to change the shape or size of an object. Now friction is the force that slow down or stops a moving object. Now we read some hard word of this chapter. LIGHT, light. SOUND, sound. FORCE, force. ENERGY, energy. SOURCE, source. LUMINOUS, luminous. Light, sound, force, energy, source and luminous. FORMATION, formation. OBSERVE, observe. BLOCKED, blocked. DISTURBED, disturbed. IRRESPECTIVE, irrespective. OPPOSITE, opposite. Formation, observe, blocked, disturbed, irrespective, opposite. SCREAMING, screaming. PLEASANT, pleasant. FRICTION, friction. S-L-I-P-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. A-C-T-U-A-L-L-Y. Actually. A-P-P-E-A-R. Appear. Screaming. Pleasant. Friction. Sleeping. Actually. Appear. Now read one time. Light, sound, force, energy, source, luminous, formation, observed, blocked, disturbed, irrespective, opposite, screaming, pleasant, friction, sleeping, actually, appear. Now we do some one-word answer. First, it is a natural, non-luminous object. This always travels in a straight line. This is the main source of light on the earth. Now what is in first number? It is a natural non-luminous object. Say me the one example of non-luminous object. We have already studied. Now the moon. Moon is the natural non-luminous object. Now second number, this always travels in a straight line. What we study about? Light, and light always travel in a straight line. Now third number, this is the main source of light on the earth. What is the main source of light on the earth? The sun. The sun is the main source of light on the earth. Now read one time. It is a natural non-luminous object. What's that? The moon. This always travels in a straight line. What's always travel in a straight line? Light. This is the main source of light on the earth. What is the main source of light on the earth? The sun. The sun is the main source of light on the earth. Now match the following. Here column 1 and this is column 2. What is in 1? Tree. Hitting a ball with a bat. Playing a piano. Walking on a road without skidding. Always appears to be dark or black in color. This is in first column. Now second, shadow, friction, non-luminous object, force, pleasant sound. Now what? First number, tree. Tree is, what is tree? Tree is a non-luminous object. Now second number, hitting a ball with a bat. बैट से हम जब बॉल को हिट करते हैं तो वो क्या हुआ? फोर्स. दैट इज फोर्स. थर्ड, प्लेइंग अ पियानो. पियानो जब हम बजाते हैं तो वहाँ से कैसा साउंड आता है? प्लीजेंट साउंड. देन प्लेइंग अ पियानो इज अ प्लीजेंट साउंड. Walking on a road without skidding. Walking on a road without skidding is friction. Always appears to be dark or black in color. What always appears in dark or black in color, that is shadow. Shadow always appear dark or black in color. Now read one time. Tree, non-luminous object. Hitting a ball with a bat. Force, playing a piano. Pleasant sound. Walking on a road without skidding. Friction, always appears to be dark or black in color, that is shadow. Now read again one time. It is a natural non-luminous object. The moon is the natural non-luminous object. This always travels in a straight line. Light always travel in a straight line. This is the main source of light on the earth. On the earth, the sun is the main source of light.